Thank you, everyone. Well, the intelligence of ColorOS 6.0 can be enjoyed the best way using the borderless aesthetics of Oppo F11 Pro. And I'm extremely pleased to announce that for every Oppo user, from now, we provide up to 5 gigabytes of free space of data storage in the Oppo cloud services. As we always mention, we take the feedbacks from our consumers very seriously. So the good news is that with Oppo F11 Pro, we will get the upgraded version of ColorOS, which means you would get the all-new design, which will be very easier and more convenient than ever before. Now that we have seen everything about ColorOS 6.0 and its features, let's watch a video that can perfectly sum up how intelligent and smart this system is. So let's enjoy it. Thank you once again. Well, smart just got smarter with the all-new ColorOS 6.0 in consumers. We always lay special focus on our after. We currently have over 1,013 after-sale service centers across. Well, now that we have seen a lot of amazing features, beautiful design, and innovative technology, let me summarize the entire product for you. Screen to body ratio. It also comes with a 6 GB RAM and a 64 GB ROM of storage. It comes with the upgraded VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. It also comes with an amazing 48 megapixels plus 5 megapixel dual rear camera supporting system, rising front camera in the Oppo F11 Pro. Last but not the least, the most intelligent and the most innovative and the latest ColorOS 6.0 runs the smartphone smoothly than ever before. Now let's watch a video that can perfectly summarize how amazing this product is. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Yet another amazing product from the house of Oppo to our consumers. Well, that's not it. We have another important announcement to make. Along with Oppo, a 4 GB RAM and a 128 gigabytes of ROM support. It comes with an amazing double color gradient design. It also supports the innovative VOOC Flash Charge 3.0. It also comes with a 48 plus 5 dual rear camera system. It comes with a 16 megapixel front camera and a staggering battery of 4020 milliamperes. It also runs on the latest and the most updated ColorOS 6.0. Well, two amazing products from Oppo, equally good and brilliant in innovative design and its functionalities. That's all from my side. Now I'd like to hand over the stage to Neha. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much, Mr. Abraham. I'm sure, just like me, everyone here is eager to see this product hit the market. Ladies and gentlemen, that time of the day has finally arrived. With a very special video, we will end the suspense for you. We bring you a product that's dared to dream, dared to ignite, dared to innovate, and dared to be different. Please put your hands together for the unveiling of the Oppo F11 Pro. Ladies and gentlemen, before the excitement takes over completely, I'd like to call Mr. Charles Wang, CEO, Oppo India, President, Oppo South Asia, on stage to reveal the price of the F11 Pro.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being a part of the